One of the nice things about this case is it has the new style tempered glass window, so you can see all the fancy setups that you can build with this.
That's right, a lot of people have the fancy video cards, power supplies, and capture cards that have RGB lighting.
One of the great things about this Phanteks case in particular is that people that use all-in-one cooling systems with radiators can pull this removable tray out and install it right onto here, then slide it back in.
Here's the power supply case. It has a nice cutout here for the new power supply so you can see that RGB lighting. It also includes a nice slot here so you can hide all those wires from your power supply and only have the ones that you need coming up through.
Also, there's the included optical drive bay or other 5 1/4 accessory. And also you have removable covers here, and they sell additional accessories to mount more standard size hard drives.
As you can see on the side here, we have 2 USB 3.0 slots, a microphone in, an audio headphone jack, and RGB lighting button.
So the front of the case has the option to install optical drives or any other accessory that fits a 5 1/4 bay. Also, 2 140mm Phanteks fans with the Halo RGB frames. So the top of the case is equipped with your typical power button, which is also RGB.
And one of the niftiest features, this is a removable magnetic dust filter, so you can clean it very easily.
So the back of the case has plenty of space for cable management, as well as 2 SSD caddies that are removable.
They also give you some Velcro zip ties to tie down those nasty unwanted wires. Here you can see there's the 2 standard hard drive slots. Here's the accessory box.
The back of the case has the option to install a 120mm or a 140mm exhaust fan.
Hope you enjoyed our look at the Phanteks Enthoo Pro MSE.
That's right, check this case out. It's great for all computer enthusiasts. It has that nice tempered glass window. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm Anthony.
I'm Sean.
Keep on gaming.